Everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue in Monster Hunter World. So let's take a look at what the problem is. So the problem is when you start the game you're gonna get black screen, and it is forever. So just let me show you the issue if you don't know about it. I'm sure you've searched for this video because you know what the issue is, and here it is. It's black, and nothing happens here. There's no way to close it, but the only way to close it is using the task manager. So here we are. So I have heard of people not starting it in almost all kinds of PC with all kinds of graphics card, and that's a big issue. So first thing you need to do is open up the graphics option, which a lot of people have done but not worked, but I know the exact way to fix it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna change this to borderless if it's already windowed, or maybe just full screen. So once you do that, you're gonna have to start the game. If it doesn't work, what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy it, and then after that you're gonna go to your SSD drive. If you have SSD, that's great because it needs a lot of hard drive power to load, and just like what you expect from a shitty game from shitty developer. Every Japanese game is like that. They have a bunch of problems. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to paste it, and I have already done that. Here we go. And now I'm gonna start the game. It's gonna take a few time to start, but honestly, it's not forever. It's gonna start for sure. Shakalaka! Now you see there's a Capcom icon, and it appears that the game have started. I told you. So here we go. Now it's gonna take a lot of time to go to the next boot screen, because it does have some problem, but it's not gonna take some time. I mean, not too time. So here we are. Game have started. Now wait a bit more, and there we go. The game have started. You can enjoy the game as much as you wanna, and I'll see you in the next